Hey friends, yesterday when I predicted XRP my friend, then absolutely XRP is starting moving upward. But definitely you can see at this time they falls down very fastly. XRP is completely, the price is goes down, decrease now, and the change occur is completely and the negative. So what's the reason? All cryptocurrencies you can see at this time fails down. So what's the big reason my friend? Everything discussed in this video. What's the prediction to upcoming time? They're moving upward or they fails down? Kindly, before I get started this video, I request you my brother to kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for latest news and updates my friend. This is very important to you subscribe now. So let's get started this brand video my brother. XRP my friends, from last 24 hours you can see here this time they completely fell us down. You can see here minus 12.01% they fell us down just in only in the last 24 hours, and the price is come to 1.61 USD dollar my friend, but our target as 2 USD dollar my friend. I hope in the upcoming 24 hours my friends, they again after this jump my friends, they also after this fell they also take a good jump. So I hope my friend in our upcoming 24 hours my friend, tomorrow they give you my friend 2 USD dollar. I hope they give you 2 USD dollar. So this is our target my friend, and I hope upcoming time you can see if we predicate this, that absolutely my friend after a technical analysis they're starting moving upward. Absolutely my friend, you can see here after a fails they take a good jump. This is the circulation time my friend of all cryptocurrencies. If we check out my friend the last video, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on. Yeah, exactly my friend, this chart this time the last 1 hour change occur is in positive, so it's mean to the starting moving upward. Definitely after a fails my friends they take a good jump. So XRP is starting moving upward and the price is also increasing now. So I hope my friends they hit now just in only in the 24 hour 2 USD dollar. So kindly hold it, don't sell it. This is short fails. I hope my friend after this falls they take a good jump. Thanks for watching holder. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly if you do this type more latest updates, kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.